Hello everyone, uh, here's the second set of videos for your homework and quiz. I selected 3 questions based on the homework and quiz that you have. So read the question and I will start solving it again. You can just pause the video and read it and then start watching the video. In this question, it asks us to calculate the different costs based on different cost drivers. So for example, the first one, it says we have to calculate the fuel cost of driving vehicles. It will pay 40 cents per mile and we are driven 16,000 miles per month. So now this time it's 40 cents per mile and multiplied by 16,000 miles per month will gives us, it's time to have everything on the screen. So 40 cents multiplied by 16,000 gives us 646,400 and as you can see the per miles will cancel out the miles and the unit for the last number is per month. So now you have 6,400 per month. So we got the first one right. The second one asking us, so equipment rental cost. It is 5,000 per piece of equipment per month and for 7 piece and 3 months. So if you want to calculate that, still we have 5,000 per piece per month multiplied by 7 piece and 3 months. So the total cost will be for each month, for each piece and each month we have 5,000. So it will be 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5,000. It will be 21 multiplied by 5,000. It's 105,000. Now we get to the third part. So the third part says we have an ambulance and EMT personnel costs for a soccer tournament. So we pay 1,200 for each 200 tournament participant. So the tournament expecting 2,400 people. So if we go with the same, let's put this up here. So this time it says 1,200 per 200 participant, and we have 2,400 participants. So in order to calculate that, how many 200 participants we have in this tournament? So we have 2,400 people. How many 200 people we have? How many groups of 200 people we have? 12. So we just multiply 12 by that $1,200, which gives us 12 by 1,200, 14,400. Answer. And the last one. So the last one says purchasing a department cost us 7,500 per month plus 5 per material order process at 4,000 order in 1 month. So this time we have two type cost. So each month we are paying $7,500 plus $5 for each 4,000 order that we are processing. So it will be 7,500 plus 5 multiplied by 4,000. It gives us $20,000. Now something, so I made a mistake here by, so 5 by 4,000 is 20,000 plus 7,500, it's 27,500. Oh, that was the first question. So going to the next one, again you can pause the video, read the question. I will put all of the numbers up here for you guys in order to see it, and then we will start solving it. So the question asks about fixed cost per year. So if you read the question carefully, over here it says administrative staff and facility costs are fixed within the range of 2,100 to 2,600 students month at a volume of 26,100 to 3,100. There's additional cost, but for this year we have 2,500, which is within the range. So our fixed cost will be just administrative staff plus facility cost, which is administrative staff is $74,000 plus facility, which is $41,000, gives us $115,000. So our answer is right. So what's left is a variable cost per student's month. So it means that teaching staff and supply is the variable for us. So teaching staff is 80,000 plus 50,000 divided by how many students did we have? At 2,500 students per month, I believe. 2,500 students per month. This gives us 5.2. I think. So once again, we will do teaching staff plus 1,000 divided by 2,500. Maybe add one more 0 to it, so 52. Okay. Now the question says the music decreased its use of CMS to 120 students, which is 180 students a month. The fixed cost contract price 135 was still paid if everything else stayed as it was in 2012 and then it was the profit. So since the fixed cost is paid, our revenue doesn't change. And this the number that is decreased is based on the people who using that contract. So our revenue doesn't change. So it's $249,000 on the table that we have here. Okay, but now our cost is decreases from one. So it's saying 26 minutes to the end of this video. So I will continue this one in the next video.